recently bought this house and it's been a couple of months. After buying the house, we realized that it's not buying the house which is a task, but getting the interiors done is the actual task. Hi, I'm Leena. I'm an IT professional and we are based out of Bangalore. This is my husband.
Hi, my name is Sharath. I work in aviation and these are new house which is located in Chikkajala.
We have had this experience with the wooden kitchen where we faced issues such as dampness, fungus, termite issues, moisture issues and unhygiene, smell, all these, right? So we definitely wanted to avoid this in our current kitchen. And after going through multiple discussions, and we came across Tusker, which has SS304 food grade stainless steel kitchens.
It helps us to clean where we find a lot of difficulties with the wood and all.
And coming to actual Tusker Kitchens, right, it is strong, it is clean, it is very easy to clean. Even the noise, right, it is so sleek and quiet. We actually were looking for classic, timeless, which is forever in trend, and Tusker had all such patterns which we were looking for and many more. Tusker team, they have clearly explained us what material are they using and what is the advantages, pros, cons. In fact, we have also had our doubts whether steel can bring that aesthetic look, but I think you can see it for yourself. We wanted a cane finish wardrobe, but considering the cane, again it is part of wood, Tusker gave us another alternative without compromising on the looks that we wanted. This glass textured wardrobe, this is completely different from what we have the other two wardrobes.
So these are crockery unit. So this looks like wood, but it's not. This is a complete stainless steel.
We hardly had a month before we could move in, and another definitely advantage that we had with Tusker was their 24 days delivery timeline. Yeah. Not just the kitchen, but in fact our whole house interiors were done in 24 days.
From the investment point of view, steel lasts for ages, and Tusker is already providing a guarantee of 25 years.
Which is our legacy that we would want to pass on to our future generations. And we believe in Tusker, we trust in Tusker, so choose Tusker.